Now imagine the situation. Your manager doesn't want a full report. Okay. They ask specific questions. What is the total sales in Mumbai? What is the sales for electronics in Delhi? What is the revenue from high performing sales only? Pure tables can help, but not always instantly. That's where the SUMIFS becomes extremely powerful. We will use in this specific example this data set, right? Which is your ID, full name, location, department, product ID, department 2, and so on and so forth, right? You can see it on the screen. This is important. SUMIFS works best for clean and structured data. I'll give you the example. This particular data set you might see as a clean, but when we apply the formula, sometimes it's not work. Okay, I'll give you the example, then you will realize what we are exactly discussing. So let's say your manager is asked you, give me a total sales from a Mumbai specific location. Okay. Now imagine doing this manually for thousands of rows. That's inefficient and time consuming task, right? Now watch this carefully. Here, I'm going to add is equal to sum ifs, right? Sum range, we need a this kind of a sum range over here, comma. Criteria would be this, cool. And let's say we need a Mumbai specific details over here and hit a enter button. You see, we are getting the zero result. However, when I check this in the data, it's available, right? So entries are there, but still we are getting this zero over here. So no need to worry why we are getting this zero. First, we have to diagnose the data, what exactly happened over here. So let me just trim this. Okay, I'm just using a trim function over here. Let's select this and hit a enter button. And now I'll apply the same functionality here as well. I'll just go here, whatever we have applied from there. I'll just select that range here and let me just hit a enter button. Now you see the result. Excel is summing sales column, okay, filtering region by Mumbai and instantly giving us the answer. SUMIFS works like this. SUMIFS sum range, criteria range, and then the condition. It filters first and then sum. Now let's go bit deeper. Okay. Now here, suppose I want to add a two criterias, right? So when I say is equal to sum ifs, right? And what we need a this, which is cost, or maybe the sales, we can assume, comma, the criteria. So here is my criteria. So which is my location. Okay. I'll just say okay. And then here I will add a Delhi. Perfect. And I want to add another condition as well. Okay. I'll just go here again. And here we'll add a criteria is electronics for us, right? So let me just say electronics and close this. Let's see the result. We haven't got the correct result. The reason you know, because we haven't trimmed this particular column. Okay. So let me just trim this. So remove the white spaces from specific column. That's what we are using the trim function over here. And as soon as I done this, a enter button over here, my clean department is got added over here. Now what I'm going to do, I'll just simply move this cursor here and let's see now the result, right? So this is how two conditions we have applied for the same data range, whatever the ask from the manager. Now we are applying the region filter and category filter over here. This is a multi-condition analysis, folks. Now, if in case you want to do a high like this, severity is high, similar fashion, we will do it a trim first. I'll do a trim over here. Okay. Suppose this is the trim condition this time is this column H. And will be applying a this specific information over here, right? And I don't want these details. Is sum ifs column G is this, comma, and this time I want this is the criteria, okay? And what we want to see only high result, okay? So we got a correct result over here. This time we got exactly because we already did a trim function over here. That's what we got a correct result then and there. This is how businesses track top performers. You can make it more dynamic as well, adding a region input, category input, and then you will get the result as per your own required statement, right? In real jobs, manager asks questions. Analyst must respond instantly. No time to rebuild reports. SUMIFS gives you that speed. Now we can answer which region drives revenue, which category performs best, which segment needs a improvement. This is a real analysis. So now we can calculate anything conditionally. But what if you want to automatically classify data based on a logic like high, medium, and low without manual tagging? That's where the next function becomes more powerful.